na dapat lahat ng naiiwan matutulungan dito sa Bagong Pilipinas. Pero sa ganitong nangyari, hindi po tayo masaya, Secretary. And that's not true na sinabi nyo kanina na you informed me earlier na hindi ready yung payouts. Nandito na sir, ready na. We posted on Facebook, that is already 3 weeks ago. We posted it, ready na. More than 12,000 payouts, pinakancel lahat. Bakit po ginaganon ako? Porket wala akong tatay, congressman o senator. I'm an OFW. Hindi po ako, I'm not, sabihin ko sa iyo, hindi ako veteranong politician. I'm just new here. As you know, we're former colleagues in Congress. I'm a ship captain, OFW ako. But my heart belongs to the people. I want to serve the people of Zamboanga. Sana, Secretary, my colleague, tulungan mo ako dito.
Madam Chair, again, let me just state for the record, wala akong pondo ang congressman. Yung sinabing pondo ko, wala akong pondo ang congressman. These are department disbursed funds. As we speak right now, lahat ng opisina namin, anybody that walks into our office, pinoprocess we have. Now that list, that referral list that's given to us, I'll get it from Congressman Olaso right now. We'll look into it again. I'll talk to the regional director na kausap niya, who happens to be a career social worker. Nandiyan na ho siya, matagal na. Give me the list, I'll talk to the regional director, then if he says that the list is clean and it's ready for to be paid out kasi talagang kailangan, then we'll pay it out.